In nanometer scale, semiconductor manufacturing, rotary transmission allows no margin for error. Every single precise process rotation demands the ultimate symmetry from dynamic sealing technologies. During long-term operation, traditional slip rings are highly prone to slight evaporation of lubrication, oil and gas permeation, which completely compromises the absolute vacuum required for the process. JINPAT semiconductor grade dynamic seal creates an absolute physical barrier during high-speed rotation, delivering zero gas permeation and zero oil emission for contamination. Free advanced manufacturing, more than sealing bridging thermal gaps. JINPAT SUS 304 slip ring endures continuous 200 C+ temperatures and extreme thermal shock. Every unit undergoes 100% helium leak and high temperature fatigue testing. From special alloy terminals to copper-free processing, we ensure chamber purity and proven reliability. JINPAT custom engineers rotor terminals with stainless steel and special alloys, completely cutting off any metal contamination chain from the source. Every single unit undergoes 100% helium mass spectrometer leak detection and hundreds of hours of high-temperature fatigue tests. We back our quality with absolute, irrefutable test data to secure your trust in real-world applications.